Did you notice the sentiment score at -0.60? That's significantly lower than the historical baseline we've been tracking, suggesting a notable shift in how businesses are feeling right now. Coupled with a momentum of +0.62, it indicates that while sentiment is down, there's a rising trend in activity. This isn't just noise, it's a signal that could mean a shift in business dynamics. Our API returns detailed insights on this sentiment, breaking it down into 19 semantic clusters, allowing you to analyze what specific factors are contributing to this dip. Imagine using this data to adjust your business strategy or to inform your clients about emerging risks. By integrating these insights, you can stay ahead of the curve. For more on how to leverage our API, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.